Hello. I noticed on the Chapter 6 assessment, when I was grading it, some of the final answers were slightly off due to rounding. And the primary reason this happens is because if you use a rounded value during your work, then your final answer will come out incorrect. So there are a couple ways around this. Now, one way around it is to use the exact value rather than the decimal. So, for example, maybe you would use the natural log of 5 divided by 8 when you are making calculations instead of this decimal here. Another way around it is to store this value in your calculator so that you don't have to type in natural log of 5/8, or you don't have to type in negative 0.470036, blah, blah, blah. So what we can do, once you have this answer given, you can store it in your calculator. So this button right here, STO, that means store. So once you have that decimal value, you can click on store and then give it assign it some variable. I typically will do alpha A, or maybe if you're finding K, you can call it alpha K if you want. It's just a matter of preference. And then hit enter. And that same value should pop up again. But now, anytime you hit alpha A, that will be the stored value. So now, for example, if you want to take, and this is just a general example, maybe you want to do 5 times the natural log of 5/8. Well, instead, you can say 5 times alpha A, and then hit enter. And so now A will always and forever be this decimal until you overwrite it. So maybe you want log of 7, for example, to be alpha A. So now you can overwrite it. Oops, let's see, clear. So you can hit store, alpha A, and now alpha A will forever and always be log of 7. So this is also helpful when it comes to graphing things. So I hope that this little tool helps you avoid some of those rounding errors.